morning's video? You want Zwaggles? You want Zwaggles? You heard that cover, huh? Love you. Not sponsored, but we love this company. They have great hot dogs, and they just recently started making dog treats. Well, red hots and white hots. Nene, go lay down, baby. I love you. Yeah. So, a gallon a day keeps a doctor away. On Amazon. I'll leave the link below. Recommend it. I got one for me and one for my husband. My girlfriend Jess told me about them. I got ours on Amazon Prime Day for like 16 something. But I think the original price was like 20. So not bad. But that's what I'm not here for. Or I'm not here for that. I just found out that I am late to the game. Did you know you can make hard-boiled eggs in your air fryer and make them faster and better? I didn't. And I've been on a hard-boiled egg kick. Like really bad. Like, hold on. Have you ever had the Trader Joe's marinara sauce? Oh, it's so good. I actually, when I buy it, I'll open up a can and I put it, where did I put it? Oh, I got knocked over. I put it in a glass jar and then I just scoop out like a half a cup to a cup. If you're doing Weight Watchers, a half a cup is 2 points, and then obviously a cup would be like 3 or 4. And then I'll warm it up in a pan and I'll scoop with my hard-boiled eggs, or I'll just drop my eggs inside the sauce and let it cook. Eggs in purgatory, that's what they're called. And sometimes sprinkle cheese on it with a crusty bread, or even without the bread, but crusty bread's good. But anyways, back to hard-boiled eggs. 15 minutes in your air fryer, cooked perfection from what I understand. Now, I watched a couple videos. The time varies. It depends on how you like your egg. I mean, obviously you want it to be cooked all the way, but some people like it softer. So if you like a softer middle, you're going to have to adjust the time. But I like mine pretty done. Maybe a smidge of like creaminess, but I hear they don't come out dry. 15 minutes. The video that I watched, the guy had the same brand but not the same model of air fryer that I have, and I love my air fryer, and I love it even more because I won it in a giveaway on YouTube. Kimberly Flanagan, I'll leave her link down below. Great channel. But 15 minutes, $7.50 with the air fryer I had. The one that Walmart sells, I've been seeing people do the temperature at 250. So I'm gonna show you. Oh, one more thing. If your air fryer does not have a metal rack, you can do this recipe. I happen to have a metal rack that it came with. It was to make kebabs. I lined my eggs up. Other people had like more of a flat one, but if you don't have it, you can still do it. It's just we were using it so the eggs don't roll. And then someone else in another video said you can order one on Amazon, and it's actually made to do hard-boiled eggs. So it has like little circles and you just put the egg right in. So if you want to invest in that, Amazon is where to go. But let me turn you around and show you. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you how I have it set up, and then I'll bring you back when it's time to cool down the eggs. Alright, so this is the one that I have. Thank you again, Kim. We're going to change this temperature. I said 270, so in between that. Wait, no, we said 270. We'll go right there. And I said 15 minutes, but let me show you how I have them. So I just have them lined up on the little rack. So 15 minutes and I'll bring you back. Alright everybody, you heard it ding. I was just about to pull it out before getting this. So, trick to peeling a hard-boiled egg is after it's done cooking, you want to put it in a bowl of ice cold water. I have no ice, so I filled up a bowl of water and put it in my freezer. Oh wow. I wonder. Huh. I put no water in my air fryer. As you saw earlier, I only put 6 in here. It's my first time. Even some of them, they're like, don't do too big of a batch, but I figure this is good enough. Like I said, I had it in the freezer. Now you're gonna want your eggs sit in your ice cold bath water for 5 minutes and then peel. I'll bring you back for that. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Tell a friend. Mama's back. Tell a friend. We just connected. All right, it's been more than 5 minutes, which it wouldn't make it go bad or anything, probably even better. So now you're gonna just tap. Wait, you should do the counter. The top and the bottom. And it's actually peeling very easily. Question is though, is it cooked all the way? So someone said do a 1/4 rip off at the bottom, a dime size rip off at the top. And they're like, oh, okay, not smart. Now this is what happened. And it's not the way that I like it. So if you're into actually, that might, yeah, that's too soft for me. I'm not into that. So we're gonna learn a trick right now. Can we throw them back in the air fryer to fix it? I heard you can do hard-boiled eggs in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna throw these back in the air fryer for a few more minutes. Throw the water back in the freezer. And we're gonna see if we can fix this. Lesson learned. Now I see why they say don't do a big batch. But I don't listen. All right, so y'all stay there. I'll just come over. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna go 280. Oh, a fly came in my house. No bueno. Okay. So now we're down an egg. So we are putting 5 eggs in at 280. I'm gonna do 5 minutes, and I'm not even removing the shells. I just hope I can get it cold enough. lesson learned. Even though me and the other guy had the same brand, we didn't have the same model. I was more worried that it would be overcooked. I'm actually surprised that they were undercooked. All right, we'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, one egg has a slight crack, so that's a good sign. I don't know why I think that's a good sign, but it's a good sign. I know the lid got cold. Okay. Come on. And we're not gonna let these sit in the water that long, because one, it's not cold enough, and two, we don't know if we have to throw these back out. I don't know why I'm throwing them all back in, but I am. Put that there. The one that's cracked will pill. Yeah, literally. Okay, that's way better. I mean, you guys done Easter, you know how to peel an egg. Ooh, baby. It's peeling. Oh, one little spot. It's fine. It's peeling nice. I didn't peel it the way that one lady told me to. Oh. Okay, I normally don't like it this soft, but I've always wanted an egg this soft. It's almost like in your ramen noodle. Right? Oh yes, don't mind the nails. Oh. Okay, I'm actually gonna eat it warm. But what should we put on it? Add some Tapatio spice. It's not even time for me to break my fast, but the fact that I accomplished hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer, I need it. Hold on. Oh. Oh, wait. I don't need a lot. Just a little. Actually, I don't even need a bowl. I'll use a spoon. Watch out, Mimi. Oh, that was for nothing. Yeah. Cold. Because the egg is warm. This one's for you guys. Oh, yeah. This is like heaven in the mouth. Okay, so if you want this soft boiled egg, I would do 18 to 20 minutes, but definitely don't do a big batch. Do like 2 eggs at a time and just keep going up, I guess. Because technically I still haven't found my perfect time, but now we know it can be done. And maybe that rack that you can get on Amazon, maybe it'll have instructions. Who knows? All that stuff comes with recipe books nowadays. So, really good. I'm gonna let you guys go because this is not a mukbang. But it was really good. Neeks, would you like egg whites? Good boy. So until next time, I hope you like the recipe that you got at the end. I'll leave a link to the video that I was telling you that I watched. I'll leave you 2 of the links that I found. And I hope you give this a shot if you own an air fryer. If you've ever made hard-boiled eggs in the oven, let me know your trick. Because I know I would assume it would be different, varying from electric to gas. I have a gas stove, so if you have a gas oven and you've done it, let me know. And I'll give it a shot next time. So until next time, bye guys.